frontal bone, frontal sinus, nasal bone, maxilla with way down here, infraorbital foramen, lacrimal bone. This is the nasolacrimal, this is the lacrimal gland, just lacrimal gland. This is the nasolacrimal sac with our little puncta there, okay? Then we have our zygomatic bone. This is your ethmoid bone up here. We've got our crista galli, our cribriform plate with olfactory foramina, and our perpendicular plate, and you can see the spaces for the olfactory nerves. Then you have your sphenoid bone with your sphenoid sinus and your chiasmatic groove. Then you have your optic chiasm. And then underneath here we have our optic nerve, superior rectus muscle, medial rectus muscle, then way down here, inferior rectus muscle, and inferior oblique are all innervated by the oculomotor nerve. The superior oblique muscle is innervated by the trochlear nerve, and the lateral rectus muscle is innervated by the abducens nerve. The outer layer of the eye, we have the sclera with the cornea and the corneal limbus. We have right up in here is the anterior chamber of the anterior cavity filled with aqueous humor. And then behind the iris, you have the posterior chamber of the anterior cavity. Pause. These are your scleral venous sinuses. You can see them with the blue dot there. Pause. Iris, the space in here is the pupil. Back here we have the choroid. If we open this up, okay, you'll see the ciliary body with the ora serrata, and then you've got your ciliary processes, and the little zonule fibers were what they are alluding to here, holding the lens in place. This is the lens, this is the vitreous humor. So the tan here is representing retina, and so therefore this is the fovea centralis here, and the space around it would be the macula lutea. This is the blind spot with the optic nerve, and within it is the central retinal artery and vein. If we were looking for pigmented epithelium, we'll come over here to this one, and we're able to see the kind of the dark space within there would be choroid, though, not pigmented epithelium. So let's just skip. So here's your pigmented epithelium with your rods and cones, your bipolar cells, and then you have your ganglion cells, and the axons of the ganglion cells become the optic nerve. So remember, if you have bipolar cells and then ganglion cells, the amacrine cells will be in the middle because BAG, and then you have your horizontal cells here that would integrate information between the rods and the cones. That's it.